Do I qualify for Love Island yet? Chloe's got a jawline and I haven't. That is one difference between us. If I had to couple up with someone, will that fix it? Who knows? Okay guys, I get it. You can stop messaging me about it on Instagram now. Every night since Chloe entered the Love Island villa, I kid you not, it's like an alarm goes off at 9 o'clock. Someone in my Instagram DMs is saying, you look so much like Chloe. Chloe looks so much like me. First of all, I'm joking. But you know what? I kind of see it. When Chloe first entered, I did think to myself, she kind of looks like me. But me on a very, very, very good day. They're few and far between, but they do happen on the rare occasion. And then I had a look at Chloe's Instagram, and in a couple of pictures, I can see a bit of a resemblance, particularly this one. Now, at this point of the video, you're probably thinking, you look nothing like that girl. You're like a B-Tech Wish version at best. But I think I can work with this. I've actually wanted to do this video idea for quite a while. I saw the lovely Sophie Louise do it, so I'll leave her video linked in the description down below. She followed a makeup tutorial of her lookalike. I couldn't find anyone on YouTube who looked like me and had done a makeup tutorial, so instead I'm going to be using the picture of Chloe and trying to copy her makeup as best I can and recreate that picture. Anyway, without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to start with my makeup, then hair, then we'll set up the lighting and everything to try and recreate this picture. First of all, a little bit of primer. I'm not going to use a glowy primer because I actually think Chloe looks quite matte in this picture. Other than a bit of highlight on her nose, it doesn't look like she uses a lot of highlight. So I'm using this primer from Too Faced. It's the Hangover Replenishing Face Primer. Let me know in the comments down below, are you watching Love Island this year? I mean, I hope Chloe's still in the villa when this video goes up. Fingers crossed. I actually really like Chloe. Her picking Hugo in that recoupling, lovely girl. But let me know down below if you're watching it, who's your favourite so far. Right, I'm gonna start off with a bit of foundation. I don't usually wear foundation, but Chloe's skin looks perfect. So I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter Foundation. This is in the shade 4 Medium. I have got a fake tan on, but as you can see, face doesn't match yet. My favourites in Love Island so far. For the girls, I really like Liberty. I like Kaz as well. I think she seems really sweet. I always like the nice ones. The ones with a bit of drama and never really a bit of me. This foundation wand is a little bit weird to use. I'm not sure how I feel about it. And for boys so far, I'm not sure if I like Jake at current. I like him and Liberty together, but I feel like he's snaking my girl Lib. As soon as Casa Amor comes into the show, you best believe Jake's head is going to be turned. I do like Hugo. There's always a posh white boy with curly hair and I always think they're sweet, but if I had to couple up with someone, maybe Hugo actually. I feel like he's the nicest guy in the villa and I always go for the nice guys. I do now. Potentially not in the past. Moving on to concealer, my favourite product on this planet. Please hide all of my flaws. On the other hand, Chloe has 0 flaws, so I am slapping on this concealer. This is the collection Lasting Perfection. I've used it for years. I'm stuck in my ways with it. Cannot get over how flawless her skin is. What an unbelievable woman. I'm just going to set that concealer under my eyes with a little bit of loose powder. It looks like Chloe's done the same. Next up, oh my god, look at the foundation lips. It's been a long time since I've seen those in the mirror. Next up is bronzer. Chloe looks like a bronzed goddess. She's gone for quite a bronzed forehead, obviously a bit of contour. She looks like she's bronzed her nose. It's like bronzed and a little bit blush. So we're gonna go almost all over. I'm using the liquid bronzer first of all from Iconic London. This is in the shade Caramel Glow. I'm going to use this bronzer to contour as well actually. The first layer anyway. We're going all in today. Going for a little bit under chin because Chloe's got a jawline and I haven't. That is one difference between us. I apologise if the lighting keeps changing. It's a really nice sunny day today. It's giving me Love Island vibes a little bit. Chucking it down with rain, but it's sunny. But that means the lighting's going to be a bit hit and miss. So next up, I'm going to use a bit of Benefit's Hoola bronzer to bronze my forehead again and also to contour again. Love this little pot of magic. Does my face match my hands yet? Oh, she's getting there. I wonder if the girls in the villa get their makeup done every day or whether they do it themselves. I reckon they do it themselves for like the daytime and then for the nighttime they get it done. Is it a requirement to be able to do makeup well if you go into the villa? I'm going to do a little bit of nose contour because my girl Chloe looks like she has. I'm just going to use the same bronzer and go down the side of my nose, creating a little line. And the other side, I've just got this picture of Chloe staring at me while I do this. judging me. She's like, you're doing it wrong. And of course I'm gonna blend it out. Right, blush. She doesn't look like she's done too much blush, and it's quite a brown tone blush. It's not too pink. It looks like it's mostly on her nose, to be honest, but there's a little bit on her cheekbones. So I'm gonna use this one from Bare Minerals. It's not too pinky, and it's in the shade Coral Cloud. It's quite a dark blush, and I'm literally just gonna go at the edge of my face because she doesn't look like she's done it on her cheekbones. Usually I would put blush like here, and then I'm gonna put quite a lot on my nose because Chloe's nose looks like a little bit sun-kissed, very cute. I'm gonna do a little bit more contour on my cheekbones because Chloe's cheekbones look very defined. I think I blended it out too much. Am I looking more chiseled? Do I qualify for Love Island yet? No. Moving on to brows. Chloe's eyebrows look quite, I don't want to use the word sparse because I feel like that's offensive, but it doesn't look like she heavily fills them in is what I'm trying to say. So I'm just going to use a tiny bit of Glossier's Brow Flick and just kind of like roughly run it through my brows. Her brows are also quite arched, but there's not like a solid brow, if you know what I mean. I'm not going to do much at the front of my brows either. I'm going to keep them in place with a little bit of clear brow gel, but I'm going to do it again quite roughly just because Chloe doesn't do her brows neat. So I'm going to fluff them up a little bit, not be too pedantic about it. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone because Chloe has quite an arch and I don't have as much of an arched brow as she does. I actually sounded like I knew what I was talking about then. Just going to add a little bit of highlight to the tip of my nose because, oh, the sun's coming out. Thanks. She wants my highlight to shine. Chloe's obviously got a bit of highlight on the tip of her nose. Doesn't really look to be anywhere else. Maybe she's not a shimmery makeup kind of gal. That's fine. This highlight is from Ofra. It's the Steph Tom's collab. I love it. And I'm going to use the lightest shade on a little brush on the end of my nose, just like so. Am I getting there? Maybe. Right, eyeshadow. It looks like Chloe's eyeshadow is quite a warm tone, like a little bit orangey, a little bit brown. It's also matte, so I'm not going to use any shimmery shades. At least I think it's matte. I'm going to use this palette. Again, it's from Iconic London. Can you tell I love them? The shades are all very warm though, so I thought this would be the perfect one. And I think I'm going to put Bellini through my crease. It's this like corally shade because Chloe's definitely does have a bit of a corally tone to it. Doesn't look like she's done too much eyeshadow though. Thank God, because I'm not the best. So I'm just going to run Bellini through my crease. I'm going to use a little bit of Ultimate Tan as well to make it a little bit more browny rather than orange. I'm just blending it out. I think I've gone too high up, so I'm going to use a lighter shade, Marshmallow, down here on like my brow bone above my crease. Oh, I've put it in the wrong place. Never mind, life goes on. Will that fix it? Who knows? There we go, a little light brown shadow with a bit of a warmer crease. I hope my gal Chloe would like it. If not, sorry for doing you dirty, hum. Then we move on to winged liner. I think Chloe's got winged liner on. Please give me 2 seconds while I complete this because I do feel under pressure while you're watching. Can you hear that rain? Done my winged liner. I'm now going to do a little bit of mascara, but I'm not going to focus on this too much because Chloe has got lashes on. So I'm going to give my lashes a quick curl. She's also got mascara on her bottom lashes, which I don't usually do, but I'm going for it today. She's got quite a lot of mascara on her bottom lashes actually. The mascara I'm using is from L'Oreal. It's the Volume Million Lashes Mascara. Remind me to never film with natural light again, especially on a cloudy day. Anyway, I'm now going to put some eyelashes on. So these ones are from GWA. I have worn these before because I've cut them down, and they've got old glue on them. But yeah, Chloe's lashes look quite full and so are these. But these are the Twilight lashes from GWA. Another thing I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below is if you were given the chance, would you go on Love Island or not? My answer to this question used to be yes. Now it is a firm no thank you. When I was younger, I thought it would be so fun to go on it. It's also a really good work opportunity, let's be honest. Everyone comes out with so many followers, getting so many brand deals, making a lot of money, but I feel like that kind of following is hard to keep engaged. And another thing, if the boy I was coupled with recoupled with someone else, I could not deal with that rejection. I would honestly rather get on a plane and come home. My God, there's now thunder outside. That is not giving me villa vibes. Oh, actually, it could have been a wheelie bin. It is bin day today. Right, the final step is the lips. So in this picture, Chloe, this is the first thing I noticed. She's quite distinctively got a darker lip liner on, a lighter lipstick, and it's also gloss. Wouldn't be my preference, I have to admit. I don't think I would usually contrast the shade of lip liner and lipstick that much, but it works for her. The lip liner I'm using is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's actually my favourite one, if you can't tell. And Chloe's lips look not too pink, but not too brown either. It's definitely like in the middle. And this one, I don't know what shade this is in. Something nude. It's a lip cheat lip liner. I'll link all the products I've used in the description down below, so if I can figure out what this used to be called before it was sharpened so much, it'll be down there. I'm literally just gonna go around the edge. To fill my lips in, I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick from L'Oreal Paris in the shade I Empower. Just got a glimpse of myself in the viewfinder. Terrifying. And because that's a matte lipstick, I am going to use a little bit of gloss over the top. So we've got another Iconic London. This is the Luster Lip Oil. I love this. Lovely little bit of shine. Now that my face feels a little bit heavier, I'm gonna curl my hair because Chloe's got her hair curled. Not too drastic, nothing too voluminous, just a nice little curl. Obviously she's got longer hair than me. I'm not gonna be putting extensions in. I'm just gonna work with what I've got. And then we're gonna do the little flippy flip, posy pose. So let's get curling. Chloe's definitely got a bit of a golden hour glow, or maybe it's a bedside lamp, probably more likely. But I've got my little golden hour lamp out on a box of tissues. Very Love Island, I know. What an old lady. But anyway, I'm going to try and recreate this picture now. It will be on my Instagram by the time this video goes up. So go and check it out and comment this emoji in the comments of my post if you got this far into the video. You are a real one, my friend. Chloe's got her hair flipped over. I need to turn this light down somehow because I'm literally orange right now. But yeah, for the final picture, go and check out the Instagram. It's Fabulous Hannah. So guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Finally got the picture. My arms are aching so much, honestly. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. It's just a bit of fun. I'm not saying I look like Chloe. I know she's a goddess, but a lot of you guys have messaged me about it, so I had to take up the opportunity. How could I let it slide? Do subscribe to see my future videos, and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you're watching Love Island this year, thumbs up for Love Island. But anyway, my loves, thanks for watching. I hope you're having a lovely week, and I'll see you again soon with another little video. Bye guys, love ya.